You know when you cut these open with these can openers that these military cans come with, really makes a mess. The jagged edges, comes out ugly, kind of hard to reuse. I guess you could cut this out, maybe smooth it off, put stuff in here. I've got another one of these. I don't remember which one's Russian and which one's, I think, Ukrainian or Romanian. I decided I did it with this. I think this one's gonna come out real nice. You could reuse the top on this. Look at this. Just file these edges down so they're not sharp. Now I can put things in here and put the lid back on. Wow, I wish these were still cheap like this.